Well, hi everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Wednesday morning shortly after 7 o'clock. A couple of pop-up showers out there this morning around central and eastern Nebraska, but most of us are not seeing activity. We'll see partly to mostly sunny skies to start. Your thickest clouds across the south, and late this afternoon, after about 4 or 5 o'clock, we could see a couple of isolated pop-up showers and weak thunderstorms. This favors southern Nebraska and northern Kansas with the best chance. Not really a severe weather threat, but maybe some thunder and lightning. That chance continues into the evening hours. After sunset, the chance does fizzle out a bit, but then later in the night, we might get a few new thunder showers that pop up favoring north central Kansas. There's still a small chance of rain and thunderstorms tomorrow. Basically, there's a disturbance off to our south, and we're on the northern fringes of it here, and that may bring us a couple more showers and thunderstorms there tomorrow afternoon. As you can see, we'll back it up just a little bit. Favoring northern Kansas, southern southeast Nebraska, a chance out there. As we get towards tomorrow night, then that chance will start to go away after sunset, and will take us to drier days for Friday, or at least a drier day Friday, but we'll stay on the warmer side. And speaking of warm, that's what we have in store for today. Anything from the low 80s in the Panhandle in north central Nebraska to the mid 80s in the Tri-Cities to the upper 80s and near 90 degrees across the south and the east. Heading into tonight then, 50s and 60s for the most part, lower 60s in the Tri-Cities area. Tomorrow's temperatures back to the 80s, a lot of mid 80s for highs on your Thursday, maybe a few upper 80s out east, and then tomorrow night, or excuse me, Friday, back to the 80s again. So we keep those 80s around. We'll keep it one more day for some of us on Saturday, although that will depend on where you are. So mid-80s the next couple of days. These small chances of rain and thunderstorms. These are not the type of rains where we're going to see heavy rainfall. It's going to cause a lot of big problems. There's not much of a severe weather threat. Lows in the lower 60s. Saturdays into Saturday night, that is the transition day. Cold front approaches during the day. Saturday will bring chances of rain and thunderstorms starting out west and then spreading towards central Nebraska later in the day, becoming more widespread Saturday night. We'll see a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms. Some of that lingering into Sunday, mainly in the morning hours, maybe afternoon in eastern Nebraska. Whew, got a yawn coming to me. I'm boring myself, I guess. No, I'm not. I'm just a little sleepy. But anyway, Sunday again, cooler weather. First off, upper 60s for highs in the Tri-Cities, and the winds are going to get breezy behind that cold front Saturday evening. It's just Saturday night and Sunday, I should say. Those winds will be a little on the stronger side, stronger than what we'll see most of the next 5 days or so. Severe weather not out of the question. There'll be some instability. There's not a really favorable severe weather setup though, so I'm not expecting it to be widespread, but we'll see as we get closer to see if that threat maybe ramps up a little bit here. But again, a noticeably cooler day Sunday. Still mild, still warm on Monday and Tuesday, just not as warm out there. Another chance of rain and thunderstorms coming Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday into Tuesday night, really here. You'll notice those lows get a little cooler as well. In fact, our long-range forecast shows that highs are going to stay a little below average heading through most of next week, although mid and upper 70s there towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. That's still not too far from our average high, which is around 79, 80 degrees there. So, we'll stay warm, maybe not favorable for pool and lake weather, but like what we see the rest of this week. But I'm going to enjoy it. That's not bad at all for this time of the year. You can see way hotter conditions out there, so it looks pretty good. All right, with that, I will let you all go. Thank you, and I apologize for that yawn there in the middle of my forecast. We'll see you all again on your Thursday morning shortly after 7 o'clock. Otherwise, take care, enjoy your day, enjoy the warmth if you like it. Take care, God bless. Bye.